Hey, my lovely kids, very good morning, all of you. Welcome back. So, kids, very nicely you all performed in maths oral test. Okay, so today is our English class, and we are going to start the class with the revision of our rhymes 1, 2, buckle my shoe, and chubby cheeks. Okay, so let's start the class with 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Yes. And the next rhyme is chubby cheeks. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Again. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now today we will revise. We have revised these two rhymes one more time. Okay. Now what we will do? Now we will revise the story. Okay, so let's start. Okay kids, now let's revise the story. Second paragraph. The lion want to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cow saw the lion, they fought with him, and lion had to run away. Okay. Again, the lion want to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cow saw the lion, they fought with him, and lion had to run away. Okay, now let's revise the third paragraph. A few days passed, cows start fighting with each other and graze separately. So lion got the chance and one by one killed all of them. Again, few days passed, cows start fighting with each other and graze separately. The lion got the chance and one by one killed all of them. And the moral of the story is unity is strength. Unity is strength. एकता में ही ताकत होती है. Okay kids, now let's move on to the identification of letters. So we have done the revision of our story. Now let's move on to the identification of letters with their 4 or 5 or 6 pictures. A for an apple, X, arrow, ant. Apple, X, arrow, ant. Almonds, ambulance, apricots. B for ball, bag, banana, bat. Ball, bag, banana, bat. Balloon, basket, beer, bus. C for cat, cake, clock, camera. Cat, cake, clock, camera. And C for cup, cow, candle. Okay, cup, cow, candle. D for dog, deer, drum, duck. Dog, deer, drum, duck. And what else? D for dots, D for dots, D for doll, D for dolphin. Okay, next. E for an elephant. I, egg, engine. Elephant, I, egg, engine. And in the last English class we have learned so many pictures with letter E, like earth, eraser, remember? Okay, ears. Okay, now next, number 8 also, E for number 8. Now F for frog, fruits, fish, football. Frog, fruits, fish, football, fingers, number 4, number 5, okay, fire, so many pictures. Okay, so today we will start G. G for grapes, goat, girl, guitar. Grapes, goat, girl, guitar. Okay, after this video we will see more pictures with letter G. H for hen, hand, hat, house. Hen, hand, hat, house. Okay, now let's see more pictures related to letter G and H. So kids, in the book we have learned G for grapes, goat, girl and guitar. Okay, so here 3 pictures are new. G for gift, gloves and glue. Gloves we will wear in winter season. Glue we use to paste anything. Okay, so G for gift, gloves, glue, girl. Some more pictures are there. Wait. Yes, G for glasses, G for goose, G for guitar, and glue, goat, girl we have already learned. So here new picture is G for glasses. Some more pictures. Yes, G for grass, G for grasshopper, G for gorilla. Okay, grass, grasshopper, gorilla. Okay, so we have learned so many pictures with letter G. Now move on to letter H. So H for, in the book we have learned H for house, H for hat, H for hen and H for hand. Here 2 new pictures are there. H for heart, H for hammer. Heart means dil or hammer means hathoda. Okay, so let's see some more pictures. So here are H for hippo and H for horse, because house, hat, heart, hammer we have already learned. So here 2 new pictures are H for hippo and H for horse. More pictures are there. H for happy, H for horn, H for helmet. सबके पापा को, बड़े भैया को हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए while driving the two vehicle. Okay, H for heavy, H for hive. Hive we have learned in the homes of animals. Okay kids, so these are the pictures related to letter G and H. Okay, now go back to the class. Okay kids, now we will do the written practice. Okay, worksheet number 2, as you all are having the notes. So in this worksheet, first question is we have to write A to P 2 times. Okay, so you can do this work in your red notebook जिसमें हम usually अपना work करते हैं, आप उसमें ही A to P का 2 times practice कर लीजिए. ठीक है, you have to do the practice of writing A to P 2 times. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so one time I have written here, you have to write like this. Now another time I'm going to show you how to write A B. I hope कि अब तो सब बच्चों को अच्छे से लर्न हो गया होगा. C D for dolphin, E for an eraser, F for frog, G for giraffe, H for helmet, I for an ink pot, J for jungle, K for keyboard, L for lamp, M for muskmelon, N for nurse, O for an octopus, and P for plants. Okay, so this is how you all have to do the practice of writing A to P 2 times in your red notebook. Okay, and after this there's a question in which we have to match the capital letters with small cursive letters. Okay, so this is capital C, and where is small cursive C? Here is. Okay, you can perform this work in this worksheet only. So here is small cursive J, and here is small cursive H, where is O, small cursive O, small cursive N, A, I. Okay, so this is how you all have to perform the today's work, practice of A to P 2 times in your red notebook, and this matching in the worksheet only. Okay kids, so see you tomorrow with some more worksheet practice. Okay kids, see you in remedial class. Bye bye.